Hello to everyone. Myself, Dr. Habibur Rahman, Assistant Professor of Business Administration, Islamia College Autonomous, Vanembur. Guys, today I would like to give lecture on very important topic from our subject, Human Resource Management, that is interview and types of interview. Let's see what is interview. Interview may be defined as a face-to-face conversation between two persons for the assessment of the character, conduct, and personality of candidate. An interview is a face-to-face oral examination of candidates by an employer. Interview is an activity for creating a better understanding between the candidates and employer. Yes, guys, interview generally refers to face-to-face conversation to assess the character, conduct, and personality of a candidate. Whether this candidate is capable for doing particular task or not, we can easily judge only through the method of interview. In interview, we can test the character and personality of a candidate, whether he is having positive personality or negative personality, whether he is having good character or not, positive character or not, whether he is having perfect attitude for solving the problems which occurs in the organization or not. Everything can be easily judged by interview. So in interview, an interviewer may ask so many questions to a candidate. Based on the candidate's answer, an interviewer may judge that he is capable for the job or not. And next is types of interview. The important types of interview are: point number one, structured interview; point number two, unstructured interview; point number three, stress interview; point number four, board interview; point number five, in-depth interview; point number six, group interview. Let's see point number one, structured interview. In a structured interview, the interviewer has a list of questions with answer prepared well in advance. The candidates are asked questions only from the prepared list. Marks may be awarded to the candidate based on the answers they give at the time of interview. Generally, under structured interview, questions will be prepared in advance. Guys, under structured interview, already questions is given to a candidate. What will be the questions asked by the interviewer during the time of interview? An interviewee needs to give answers based on these structured questions. So even in simple term, we can say already question is given, you need to prepare for it, and you need to expose it in the relevant manner. Next, point number two is unstructured interview. Under unstructured interview, the interviewer does not keep any list of questions in advance. Under this method, the interviewer may ask any question and expect relevant answer from the interviewee. Yes, guys. Structured interview generally takes place with political parties, cinema actors, sports persons, and so on, we can say. Unstructured interview, it happens with general public. So there will be not pre-planned questions. Questions will be spontaneous. On spot, they will ask the questions, any questions, but interviewee needs to prepare for it, and he need to be very, very careful before giving the answers, so that so it should not give any controversies in future. Unstructured interview sometimes may be dangerous when we compare with structured interview. So fine enough. Point number three, stress interview. A stress interview is a special category of interview which tests the tolerance of the candidates. For some jobs like sales executive, policeman, etc., tolerance is essential, and if the candidate is short-tempered, they will fight with the customer and the business will be spoiled. So please keep this thing in your mind. So in this interview method, critical questions are asked to the candidates and test their patience. Under stress interview, questions may be from any side. They will attack you like anything. They will test your tolerance. And you need to be very, very careful, and you need to have positive attitude always. If you have that thing, definitely you can clear any kinds of interview. certain kinds of relaxations you need to have in your mind. Then only you can easily crack the interviews, or else it's quite difficult. And next, point number 4 is board interview. In other types of interview, the interview is conducted by 1 or 2 interviewers. So the interviews may not be effective, we can say. But in the case of board interview, there will be a group of experts who will interview the candidates. As the candidates are interviewed by many experts, very talented persons can be selected for the job. Yes, guys, under board interview, so many experts will sit and ask the questions to the candidate, and candidate has to be prepared for the answer, and he has to give positive and relevant answer. Whenever the entire experts are satisfied, and they will give the job to the candidate. If they are not satisfied with the answers given by the candidate, then the candidate has no scope for getting the job. So board interview is very, very effective method of interview as compared to any other methods. And next one is in-depth interview. Generally, an interview will last only for a few minutes, for example, 10 to 30 minutes. But in the case of in-depth interview, it lasts for few hours. This type of interview is conducted for middle and top level management jobs. Under this method, the in-depth questions will be asked to candidates to check the way of answering the questions. Yes, guys, under this category, the questions will be in-depth. Detailed questions they will ask, and candidate needs to elaborate the answers in the respective manner. This kind of interview will last for hours, not just 10 minutes interview, 15 minutes interview, 30 minutes interview. It will at least last for 60 minutes. That is the power of in-depth interview. And next one is group interview. In the case of group interview, the candidates are interviewed in groups. The candidates who shine better in the group is selected for appointment. So in this type of interview, a comparison is made between candidates, which is not possible in other types of interview. Yes, guys, under group interview, the questions will be asked to group. Group discussions needs to be done. Manager will sit and assess the knowledge of participants. Say, for example, in a group, 10 members are there. One topic is given to them, and they are discussing about the topic. Being a manager, he will sit there and he will assist who is giving great answers, good answers, positive answers. He will judge and he will elect the suitable candidate for the next round. So this is termed as group interview. So many people will be there. Best man will get the job under group interview. So thank you very much, guys. Next thing we'll discuss in next class. Wish you all the best.